The backpack drive allows us to give this small thing to the kids to help them start their school year right. It helps them to feel included and part of the community, not different from everyone else. And for some kids, it really just, there's a lot of frustration with knowing that they don't have. So having the backpacks and the school supplies, the counselors and the teachers who come to the drive are able to provide these for the kids. Usually we try to do it before school starts so that they can be passed out at open houses or that first week of school so that kids have them right away and that they do feel that they have what they need and they do feel part of their classroom community and are able to start the school year on a positive note. The actual process of filling the backpacks begins, today we started about 7 this morning, and our volunteers show up and we do an assembly line process where people are unzipping backpacks, and we go down the line and we fill them with each of the items that we've supplied. We try to start with just the basic supplies that we know every student will need, whether elementary, middle school, high school. We start with notebooks, loose leaf paper, pencils, rulers, erasers, scissors, crayons, glue sticks. That's a big thing that the schools requested, the glue. And we just make sure the kids have exactly what they need, even if sometimes parents can't supply the supplies because it's in the middle of a paycheck period. So at least this is something that gets the kids started in school until the parents can get the supplies that are necessary.
We came here to stuff backpacks. We get like pencils and crayons and notebooks and spiral notebooks and stuff like that to stuff in the backpacks and give them to kids who don't have that kind of supplies to educate themselves.
It's nice knowing that you help someone so that they can have an education and they can go to school with their school supplies and have just a really awesome school year.
And the children are our future. That's really the most important thing about this whole operation is that you're giving something to the kids that will really need it and appreciate it and will help them in their education as they enter into school. You want every child to be ready for school, going in and equipped with the things that they will need. So this is a wonderful opportunity to help that cause.